welcome to Casey's Nature Show. Today, you'll be joining us in the Pecos wilderness along the Windsor Trail. Today we've got some great weather and some aspen groves and scrub oak forests. As you see, we've got some weather forming on the horizon along the ridge lines here. These are clouds called cumulonimbus clouds. However, they seem to be growing, and they also appear to be a type of specific cloud that produces rain and hail called the cumulonimbus capillus, Latin for hair. Here we have an interesting tree formation where another tree is growing out of a dead tree that's pre-existing. This is called a nurse tree because the decomposing matter in the tree actually helps support and feed the new life of the tree that's growing. This is a really interesting one though, because usually nurse trees are in stumps and the trees are really small. But this one's actually the same size as the dead tree, so I also could be entirely wrong.
Rolling.
Here above me, you see the perfect example of what's called an Anvil Cloud, named after the characteristic shape of an iron anvil, where it's heavier on the top and flatter on the bottom. This is also a great example of a perfect storm cloud formation. Here we are at Stuart Lake, where a stream is coming off the lake and forming a marsh. Seems that the storm clouds have finally reached us, and we've now been caught in a thunderstorm with moderate rains. And it appears that the thunder and lightning is right on us. So we're just gonna wait it out. It looks like it's about to clear up soon. The fish are still jumping and the water on the lake is rising. It's a good day at Lake Stuart. Maybe it'll stop raining tonight. We just don't know. We've made it through the night, and we are currently descending from 10,000 feet, where Stuart Lake was, down to civilization. But it does seem that we are taking a different trail today that is not maintained by the Forest Service, and so there might be some more logs to hop over. And as we're walking down this new trail, we notice that the sky is turning gray again, and that we might be beneath either a nimbostratus storm system or a or another what's it called, cumulonimbus. But my bets are on nimbostratus.
Can we get an update on the rain last night?
It did rain all night. The belongings are damp. We are currently in comfortable dry clothes. However, we lucked out a little bit and just greeted the morning with some beautiful sunrise over the lake and lots of mosquitoes. So far so good. Here we have the U.S. Geological Survey marker. It dates to 1939, back when Americans had jobs further down the trail, almost back to the trailhead. And looking around us, you can see the ground is a little bit white. It's not sand, it's hail. Tiny, tiny pebble-sized pieces of hail. And there seems to be a lot of it around. So I was right, it was a cumulonimbus cloud. And one point...
Rolling.
Keep that thing rolling, Vikram. More common in the Pacific Northwest, you see the stratus cloud formation, which is kind of like a loose fog over the tree line of this mountain right here. But it's not in the Pacific Northwest, it's here in New Mexico. We saw it here first.